All right, well, I don't know. Get us started.
Okay. How many days has it been?
90 days in 1 hour.
90 days and 1 hour since we uploaded anything. Why is that?
We haven't done anything.
It's true. Summer in Ohio is hot. And there's not a lot of races happening. And I think part of it is like we had that big race at the end of April, almost May. And I think it felt like it was just time to take a little break. Kind of tired of training for things and all that stuff.
I've been training this whole time because I like running.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 3 whole months of hiatus, and here we are. Nothing really important to say this time. I guess maybe this is the primer for things to come. So, yes, not very many races in the summer, but we're about to hit a stride of, well, we've got 3 within the next 30 days. Right? When's
yeah.
Amish country?
So that one's September 9th. So Amish country, half for you, 10K for me. The week before that, so Labor Day weekend, we have a donut run.
I'm wearing a shirt. See, I got the shirt to prove it.
Right? Oh, we're wearing a shirt too.
Oh, yeah. And that's this weekend.
That's it. This weekend, the Shawshank Hustle.
So Shawshank Hustle is one of the coolest races that they have.
Yeah.
The theming is absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
The race course is grueling and yet forgiving. It's only a 7K, but there's a lot of hills. It's Mansfield, Ohio.
Yeah.
The race entry fee includes a ticket through the Reformatory, which is where they filmed Shawshank Redemption. We did it once, and I'm going to try to talk you into going through it again. Well, we're going to have at least one video come out from Shawshank Hustle, and maybe the second one will be the tour of the prison. It's cool. After that is Donut Run, so that's a local one. It's Westerville, Ohio.
Yeah.
There's, let's see, for a while it was sponsored by Schneider's Bakery, but that's no longer the case.
Yeah, it's just a Westerville Donut Run.
There's like 300 people in the whole race. It's tiny.
Yeah.
And the last year the course was different from years past. I think this will be my 4th time running it. Fun fact,
My 3rd.
I don't have a fun fact. I thought I did, but maybe I don't.
Well, a fun fact about the donut run, if I may, is that that's the race where you like to get your proof of time for Disney.
Oh.
Because it's
There it
small,
is.
there's not very many people there, and it's flat. So that's where you like to bust it out, get your proof of time, and then a donut afterwards. And I like to go and just have a nice, pleasant walk with my dad. So
We're going to get him to go. He went for the first time last year.
yeah. So he's excited to do it this year.
Rearrange the camera. Yeah, so he'll be here this year again. And then Amish country half, and that's nothing we've ever done before.
Never done that before.
But it's in Amish country, Ohio, which is,
Berlin, is that?
I don't know, maybe.
I think it's Berlin, Ohio.
They say that Midwest is flat, but there's a lot of hills in Amish country.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have been practicing hills. I should have been doing my hill repeat, but I didn't, because that sounds like a really good way to make running not fun anymore.
It's true. That's why I do Orange Theory. You're forced to do hills.
I just run. So yesterday I had a really good run. It's been hot, right? Like it's summertime, obviously. And everybody has this idea that wherever they live is the worst place. Look, there's a deer in suburbia.
Wow.
Hold on.
There's a baby. Look at a little baby.
Two whole deers in the middle of suburbia. That's crazy.
Do we keep going?
Well, yeah, we do. And eventually the knucklehead's going to see them. Look, they look like you.
Come on, keep going.
Come on, knucklehead. Where were we? Many interruptions. Behind us right now, that music is the Reynoldsburg Tomato Festival. That's where we live, is Reynoldsburg.
Yeah.
Should we be saying that to our dozens of viewers? Nobody cares where we live. Our tens of subscribers.
The tomato capital of the world.
Yeah, that's where the tomato
Birthplace of the tomato.
It was invented here.
Sorry, our little knuckleheads have gotten a little crazy.
He got a taste of deer and now he doesn't know what to do with himself. All right, where were we? Everybody thinks that wherever they live has got the worst weather.
Yeah.
Or the best weather, or basically they just want to brag about the weather where they live. But it's been hot here and I haven't been feeling running.
Yeah, and the air quality thing has been no joke, off and on throughout the summer.
Yesterday I had a rebirth of my running interest. I ran in the rain, like the pouring down rain. I didn't have my phone, I didn't take video, but I do have a picture, a couple of pictures. And so 4 miles, negative splits, I felt great. It was cooling, it was refreshing. There's something about the way the music hit and me, and so now I got my love for running is back for the season.
Okay, keep on. Come on.
There are some times when I forget that we live inside the city.
Yeah,
You get these little back roads here where there's usually not much traffic. It's actually kind of nice.
yeah.
Oh, this van's been coming around. There he goes again. What else do we have to report?
Let's see. So we talked about all we have in August is just Shawshank. It's this weekend. September we have Donut Run, and then the Amish Country half and 10K. We were talking about the rolling hills of Amish Country being surprising when Ohio is flat.
We did say that. What did we not say about that so far?
I don't know, it should be interesting because we've never done it before.
Nothing like some fun little hills.
Right. Fun is one word for them. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for September. October we have the Pumpkin Run.
Oh, that's right. Gordy's Pumpkin Run.
Brady's Pumpkin.
They do them all over the place. I bet you've done one too.
Yeah, it's kind of like the hot chocolate run. Like they have, it's the same race but in a bunch of different cities. Like it's put on by Sour Fish or something like that, I think. Yeah, so tough pumpkin for you. My little tough pumpkin.
My tough pumpkin.
And just a normal pumpkin over here.
Tough. Yeah. All right.
Well then, yeah, for the rest of fall, I mean, do we have anything in November?
Maybe there's something.
I'm trying to think. Something that we're supposed to be doing in November.
I don't know.
Right? The strike countdown? Wait, I remember. I remember now.
Well, anyway, I think you were saying something about an uneventful November.
Yeah, there's not really much going on. Unfortunately, there's not much happening in Ohio in November, so
We'll have to outsource our fun to someplace
I
else.
think so. I think we're gonna have to do that. I'm thinking, I don't know. Are you feeling up to a Disney trip?
You know, I haven't given the mouse enough of our money recently.
Right? I know.
I think we should probably give him a few more thousand.
Yeah, poor Bob Iger. Right. I guess that's it.
I don't have anything else to say. I think I've said too much as it is. He's got all kind of stuff to say.